If you want to set password on your applications in Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to enter apps, then just tap on the app lock, click on the turn on, input your pattern, but if you want to set other log method, you have to click on the change password, and right now we can select it. So let's input the pattern, confirm it once again, click on the next. I don't want to sync into the Mi account, click on the cancel, click on the cancel once again, and we can activate it on the YouTube and also on the messages. So let's check how it works. Click on the cancel, okay, and it's locked. So also we are going for the YouTube, and it's also safe with our pattern. So this is how it works. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.